Hello, Seward Middle School. Welcome to another wonderful week of remote learning. Sorry my video is a little late this morning. I got a little tied up doing a sketch note thing for you guys that I'm pumped about. So your guidance for this week. Okay, the biggest one is if you are falling behind, please don't stress. I want you to do a really good job on last week's work, focusing on making me a quality cell model that has at least 7 organelles that you explain their function to me in a Flipgrid. So take the time to do that well, have a little fun with it. Second thing, make sure that you guys are reading your feedback. This week there seemed to be some confusion about how things were supposed to be done. Maybe you were reading instructions, maybe you weren't. I think we're all getting a little tired, frustrated, kind of done with remote learning, which I get. But take some time, read my feedback to you, and revise things, improve things, try again, resubmit. I'm all about it. I know that some of you can do better things, and I think it might just been some confusion, maybe slowing down and reading the instructions or watching the little videos. So focus on doing a really good job with last week's work with the organelle analogies and the cell models. Those are big assessment pieces for me. And then read your feedback, resubmit. And then this week, I'm trying to make it a little lighter. We're starting an inquiry cell assignment. It's a small one. It's not a big inquiry. You're just going to be looking up a question about cells that hasn't been answered for you yet and creating a little sketch note for it, your first sketch note. So it's just a good time to start experimenting with sketch notes. So a much smaller assignment or activity, but hopefully get you off the computer and drawing. And there is also a discussion, an online discussion with a really cool video about cells that you may never have imagined that they could be like inside. So good luck this week. Let me know what you need and if you need help, if you're confused or just want to brainstorm the cell model with somebody, shoot me an email or a DM or whatever, and let's get it all figured out together. Good luck, and I can't wait to see you on Monday and Thursday this week.